Okay, so I haven't posted in a while, but I thought this one might be interesting for someone that wants to rejuvenate their old white aluminum fence with a nice cedar one. So what we did, or what I did, was you take a angle grinder and just cut off the bars in the middle, all the white bars, keeping the structural pieces, and then using that to support your cedar. So what I did was put in some hot dip galvanized bolts, 1, 2, cut a strip of cedar on both sides of the posts, and then you can screw cedar 8-foot cedar pieces to this one, actually 2 screws per board, and there you have it. Nice cedar fence. I did use some black spray paint, Rust-Oleum, to paint over the white. Make sure you clean it well, and then I had to angle grind the top off to make it flat, and you can keep the structural support without having to put in new posts for your cedar fence.